So I think I feel the same as everyone. Like at first, you just walk in, everyone's strangers. It's like a 1 or a 2, just
Yeah.
passing strangers on the street. But I
Yeah.
feel like it was about a 6 after we left. So
Awesome.
yeah.
Excellent.
It was
You
good.
like tripled your score.
Yeah,
Fabulous.
there you go. Exactly.
I wrote 2 to start with because we had just met, but we already felt a little bit of a connection because we'd seen a bit of a positive vibe between us.
Yeah.
And I wrote 7, but I think maybe we should have made it 8 or a 9 now. Actually, I should have wrote a higher number.
Yeah.
Because,
fabulous.
it's been really great meeting the others in the group.
Yeah.
So I gave our 4 a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
And that's because I felt like we had all turned up with an intention. I connected on that sort of energetic level that we were clearly all here and interested and willing to participate and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then I gave it a 6 after.
Yeah.
I think from the beginning, I already had a good vibe. Like, I don't know, it was like a good thing. So it didn't improve that much because I had the good vibe at the first place. I'm like, hello, hi, we're all awkward. And I'm like, oh, we are in the same pool here. I can feel it. That's cool. That's comfortable.
At the start, I wrote down 1. I even thought about writing a negative number. I didn't know anyone, and I felt quite uncomfortable and completely out of my comfort zone. And now I've just done 8.
Wow,
And
that's amazing.
I think everyone's opened up more. I'm feeling more comfortable myself, and I know I was quite closed off at the start.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I felt quite connected to start with, and I still feel the same way now.
It started as a 3 and ended as 8.
So my level of connection, I rated as 6 at the beginning and 8 at the end.
Do you mind sharing what your level of connection was before and after?
It was a 4 and a 7.5.
Oh, 7.5. Excellent.
Put us on like a 3 out of 10.
Yep.
And then I ended up at a 6 out of 10. So I think
Awesome. You
that's
doubled it.
more connection than complete
Fantastic.
strangers.
Probably at the start, probably 2 or 3.
Yep.
Then afterwards, once we've talked and stuff like that, probably a 5, 6.
Fantastic. Awesome. Well done.